Hey guys, and welcome to my little workshop. My name is Olga, and today we're gonna be doing some baskets. Yes, first of all will be the basket for gender reveal party. If you saw, there is some custom made baskets on our short videos, and this is officially our first long video. First, I was shopping all morning. Yay! I have to organize and clean a little bit so the stuff looks pretty much more nice and fancy. So I will do some magic trick and hoping it's gonna work. Let's do it. Oops! Too soon, Olga. Don't give the spoiler yet. One of my friends is going on the weekend for the gender reveal party. So she texted me last evening asking me to make something special for them, maybe in the neutral colors, because they don't know yet, right? Who is gonna be, baby boy or baby girl? Let's get creative and let's get to work. I think that was some kind of like a sign when I went shopping, because the lady, which gonna be soon mom to be, loves elephants. Here you go, cutie. Okay, so far I made from the cardboard some kind of like a base a little bit, because the trick with these baskets, it's not gonna be too durable or stable. So we need something to hold our sticks. And let's put them. We're gonna be using the neutral colors. That way they can use it for both, for the boy and for the girl. I'm so excited. This is gonna be a really cute basket. Let's make it. Okay guys, so I cut some wood. I measured and I approximately how much is gonna be fitting. Yep, wood sticks. So now what we have to do, we have to make sure that we have a frame, kind of like a hanger pole, that where we're gonna put the cute outfits for our baby basket. And I'm still debating if I'm gonna do this kind of mount or maybe something like this. I will give it a try and see which one is gonna be holding better. And to secure with the zip ties, let's give it a try. Yep, we are ready to build a frame for our hangers. I used the wood sticks. I believe they're from Home Depot. I don't know. My husband bought it for me. Thank you so much, Mr. Soren. I just cut them, measured to the size of the clothes, and I will try to secure them because this basket will be traveling far away and we have to make sure it's secured. So people will receive their gift in the original beauty, not the smash one, right? It's very important to make sure your frame is nice and steady, because once you start hanging the outfits and the clothes on the rack, it will add some weight. The last thing you want it to collapse, right? I'm using materials what have worked well for me so far, but feel free to use whatever you have available. If you have something different, you can always substitute. Yay! 30 minutes later, I managed to build the frame. So look at that. I used some zip ties. Now let's cover it with some rope. Yay! Ooh, oopsie. Here we go. Putting the rope over the zip ties make it look more professional and aesthetic. This step may take some time, and it will be likely the longest part of the build, the perfect frame of your basket. To make sure everything is secured, tight and steady. Okay guys, so this is gonna be kind of our trial course, we have a budget for the basket, yes. So I choose approximate colors to mix and match, neutral, so cute. Okay, so what do we have to do right now? I have to take all of the price tags because that's not really nice to receive the gift which will have a price tag on it, right? And we will decor our basket. Yes! Look how nice it is. I love it. Okay, I forgot also to mention, look how cute it is, right? I'm ordering some special hangers, so I took it out from the plastic hangers and put it on the wooden one, so it looks more cute and professional, right? Okay, so our basket is including, of course, the basket. Cute blanket, which you're gonna put inside. We have a wooden rattle. We have a cute shoes. Look at that. We have a set of beeps. Yes, three of them. There you go. Set of the beeps. We have one fancy outfit and two onesies, which is very cute. So I have to make it work right now. Let's go. Oh my god, look how cute this basket came out. This is a perfect gift for baby showers, for the baby on the way, or as I'm making it, for the baby gender reveal party. This is so cute. Okay, but we are not done. I still have to decorate a little bit more. I have to wrap it up and show it to you one more time. So let's go. Here we go. Just look at this, isn't it beautiful, cute and so stylish? I love how the neutral colors and wooden elements give it warm and earthy touch. And check out this adorable little elephant and the bear outfit. It makes it simply irresistible. Okay guys, so we are done with our baby basket. Look how cute it came out. Ooh, it's pretty big, look at that. So cute and adorable, and just look at that packaging, how nice it came out. Perfect gift for your baby occasions. Look at that. What do you think the price would be of the project like this? Let me know in the comments your guesses. How did you like my creation? If you are new on our channel, welcome. Please like, subscribe and comment under the video. I would really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next basket. Bye!